Tamil Nadu government approves agricultural mechanization scheme subsidy for Garuda Aerospace by Drone Life staff writer Walker Robinson. Garuda Aerospace has received a subsidy from Tamil Nadu state government. This subsidy will be used for agricultural mechanization, promoting the adoption of drones in India's farming industry. Garuda Aerospace was founded in 2015 and has grown to be a leading drone designer and manufacturer in India. Their UAVs are designed for numerous industries, but they have a specific focus on the agricultural sector. Recently, they have been making significant progress in the application of precision UAVs tech for agricultural work that would traditionally require physically demanding work by farm workers. They currently have the largest drone fleet in India and operate in 84 cities. They manufacture 30 different types of drones, which offer 50 unique services. Their clients include Intel, Amazon, MIT Boston, among others, and they have recently partnered with Lockheed Martin, Cognizant, and Elbit Systems. They also recently announced their Equality Drone Training Program, which promotes opportunities in the UAV industry for individuals with physical disabilities. The Agricultural Mechanization Scheme subsidy from Tamil Nadu, a state within India, is intended to specifically address labor shortages and enhance crop production. Farmers who take advantage of the subsidy will be using drones for pest management and disease monitoring. They can either hire a licensed pilot or they can learn the necessary drone operating skills through Garuda Aerospace's Drone Pilot Training Program. The Tamil Nadu government expects this to accelerate the adoption of UAV technology into agriculture while simultaneously boosting agricultural production capacity. Drone technology is making a big impact in farming. This is just the beginning, and I can see the demand for it increasing. The drones from Garuda Aerospace have been a game changer in our fields. They're being used to spray fertilizers and pesticides, which saves us both time and money. Plus, they can cover larger areas of farmland all at once. I'm excited to see its benefits during my lifetime, said a farmer from Tamil Nadu who has already implemented Garuda Aerospace UAVs. Garuda Aerospace is deeply committed to the advancement of agriculture practices in Tamil Nadu and across India, led by innovative drone technology. The subsidy granted under the Agricultural Mechanization Scheme will enable higher adoption of technology and enhance crop production. We are grateful for this scheme and the subsidy, and continue to keep our commitment up to supporting and enabling farmers to leverage technology and adopt modern agriculture practices, says Agnishwar Jayaprakash, founder and CEO, Garuda Aerospace. If the Agricultural Mechanization Scheme subsidy has the desired effect in Tamil Nadu, it's likely that similar subsidies will appear in other Indian states.